In this tutorial I will show you 3 simple tricks for removing background in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. Trick number 1. First you select a object selection tool and make subject selection. If your selection isn't perfect, then select Quick Selection tool and make perfect. And then right-click and select Inverse and then delete. Trick number 2. In this case select a layer. And then go to Select. And click on Subject. And then select any selection tool and right-click of mouse and select Inverse and then delete. Trick number 3. In this case select a layer and go to the Properties. And then open Quick Action. And then click on Remove Background. If your Properties is not able on your Photoshop, so you go to Windows and then turn on Properties.